Hi everyone, my name is Nikola Ilic and welcome to my course Understanding Relational Data with Azure. I'm working as a business intelligence developer and making music from the data. Are you a data professional looking to switch from traditional to cloud relational databases environment? Want to learn how to leverage your SQL skills in Azure? In this course, we are going to learn how to work with relational data in the Azure ecosystem. Some of the major topics that we will cover include difference between online transaction processing system and online analytic processing system, various types of Azure delivery models and Azure data services, connecting and querying relational databases in Azure. By the end of this course, you'll know more about relational data workloads in Azure and be able to make a smooth transition from on-prem to a cloud databases environment. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with relational databases in general and have basic SQL skills. From here, you should feel comfortable diving further into the Azure Data Fundamentals path and other Azure courses at Pluralsight. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn more about relational data workloads with the Understanding Relational Data with Azure course at Pluralsight.